One of my favorite things to do is teach everyone the ways of Mexico, so I'm excited.
It's gonna be nice. Yay. Claudette Zepeda is joining me today.
There's a lot of different varieties of corn that we use for tortillas. This is the blue corn masa.
I love the color.
So what we just need to add is love, salt, and water. I prefer warm water. What happens is whenever you're hydrating anything, it's going to first absorb it, and then it has like this waiting period as it keeps expanding. If you add warm water, it instantly relaxes it to that expansion point.
Okay.
So this is
You don't
one
have
of
to
those,
wait.
exactly, one of those hacks.
There's all these little tricks that she has, and a lot of it is tradition. I think that kind of adds a magic element to the food.
What you want, see how it sticks to your hands?
Yeah.
Eventually, as you massage it, you'll start feeling it release from your hands, and that's what you want.
Okay. Massage. Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. Do we need any extra help putting these together?
Yes, please.
Okay. We need help.
Hi. Make sure it's round and put it right in the center and kind of do that. And then drop your plastic on top.
Then close it.
Yep, and then you're gonna slam it.
Slam it.
Yeah, there you go.
What happened?
Yeah, you need some muscle. Then you rotate it, slam down. Beautiful. Now take the top plastic off.
And then this filling.
Yep. Just want to kind of make a little mini triangle of the filling too.
When girls get together, we can share stories and learn new things.
Yeah! Okay, we got this one.
And we're gonna eat together tonight. Girls only.
These turned out so cute.
Aren't they cute? We'll remember these, and I'll be able to make them. I promise.